The process of designing a car has changed dramatically in recent years thanks to sophisticated computer-aided engineering or CAE software that means engineers can see technology working before even creating a physical model. But more than that, they can now experience these computer simulations like never before in immersive virtual reality. This is a Powerwall, a high-resolution 3D screen that enables anyone who wants to better understand a design to get an up-close look at it.
We've used that technology to take simulation data from a number of different industries and partners, and we visualise that in a photorealistic and one-to-one scale environment. The end game of all these activities, visualisation of CAD data, is ultimately to get products to market faster, improve quality, and also cheaper to save time on costly decisions and engineering changes. But also one of the major benefits of visualisation of simulation data is the fact we can communicate the results. A lot of simulation data is very technical. It's quite difficult to communicate to non-CE experts or stakeholders within the company and also exterior to the company. So we've held design reviews with simulation data that's been visualised, and we've had customers and people come in and really buy into those results and clearly understand what those results are telling them. And also go back and change the simulation models and get more accurate, rerun the models and get more accurate results.
Several UK organisations are undertaking projects to move this technology towards creating lifelike environments that can respond to design changes in real time. Warwick Manufacturing Group is about to begin research funded by the Technology Strategy Board to take its already impressive simulations based on laser-scanned imaging to the next level.
The ultimate achievement eventually will be CE models which near enough exactly replicate real world. Now if you look at an automotive crash simulation, the infinite variables and parameters that go into that model, to get 100% accurate simulations would be the dream. It would be fantastic. A long way to go. A lot of the restrictions on time to run the models and carry out the simulations, and computer power is increasing readily. So I think the goal would be to run real-time simulation while we're visualising them and then making design changes and seeing the impact of those changes in the simulation in real time. I mean, that's where we'd really like to get to.
Jaguar Land Rover has already taken this technology in another direction, putting several Powerwall screens together to create an interactive space called the Cave. Now the company is striving not only for greater realism through more detailed shadows and reflections, but also the ability to simulate airflow, thermal radiation, and even rainfall.
What we'd like to do, and the technology is out there, is be able to feel as soon as we touch something. The complication is when you want to get in and out of the car, because you've got to put a lot of haptic technology into that, because every muscle of the body moves as you're getting in and out. So we're looking at universities to develop that idea, maybe with motion pads on the body. We can do that with motion capture as well. We can understand the posture as they get in and out of the car. So we're going to develop the motion capture, which is another touch on the film industry. We are doing driving simulation. So whereas you can drive in the cave, we like to interact with the 3D. So the seat that we put in there will have a little bit of vibration, get deeper immersion. You'll be able to drive it with the steering wheel, just to use the pedals, all things that will give you a better feedback from the person that's sitting in there. People would say you're trying to save a little bit of time here, but we don't look at it that way. What we try and do is maximise the time that we use. So if a designer can look at 10 different alternatives instead of 3, you can come down here and see it in here. If an engineer can come up with 10 different solutions instead of 1, and lots of people can see it, and then we can maximise what we bring out at the end. The idea is to put a better car out to our customers using the best tools that we can use. And the way that we're trying to develop this service is that we're looking at universities, we're looking at suppliers, we're looking at different sorts of technologies, different areas of technology, from gaming to the film industry, to see which can help us out build our cars better. They may seem strange mixing in the film industry and the gaming industry, but these are all techniques that we can adopt for better visualization, for better interaction with the car, and if we can use them correctly in our high-end visualization theme, we'll be able to put better cars out again, maybe in a shorter time, but certainly better for our customers in the long run.